Yo, we out here, right? This is George Air Force Base in Victorville, right? Yeah, Victorville, California. This place is filled with graffiti. I came here last night. And I thought I was gonna sleep here, but it is just creepy here. So we're gonna go ahead and explore this place, and hopefully you guys stay tuned into the video. Enjoy. Are you ready to go to the park, Purple? Wow. So we're locked out. They boarded this up. But we'll get in here because I saw some kids last night. Oh, yo, look at this. Oh, man, you got eaten alive. You're good. You're good. Man, they got everything still in here. Just watch where you walk and watch out for snakes. Viewer discretion advised, guys. I think snakes would have made their way outside. I don't know how people sleep in here. I wouldn't have been able to do this at nighttime, I'll tell you that right now. Bro.
Nothing there?
The hallway.
That's where we are. Yeah, just watch your step. So are you wearing the masks right now?
Wow, bro. Wow. This place is fucking huge. Oh, we might be able to bring, fly the. Oh, bro, this is gonna be dope.
Oh, this is the second floor. Calm down, let's calm down, let's calm down. We thought we were on the roof.
Wow. This is insane. Look at this. I have never, and I honestly gotta say, I've been to insane asylums back in the day when I was young, bro, but this is just like graffiti heaven, FPV. But the thing is, I'll tell you right now, I'll be a little nervous to fly my drone through here fast.
Well, I'm not gonna go like that.
But the 2-inch, it's gonna be some dope footage, you guys. But look at this. This is the back, bro.
Yeah.
Bro, this is awesome. Dude, I'm scaring myself.
Yeah, you did that to me. I figured out real quick that it was you. I saw that.
So do you think these were a bunch of medical offices?
Not that old school fucking shit.
Yeah. Dude, you know what? I won't lie. In Colorado, on my last contract, I did one of those on the whiteboard.
Oh, this is cool. It could be legit medical because those open and close.
That's what I'm saying. I think it might have been.
Boom, bitch, I see you. have it. My girl hates that I have it.
With the sound.
Yeah. I played it for her one time. I left it on when I was going to sleep and she got mad as fuck.
That's a dope. Oh, the wheelchair, dude.
That's not a wheelchair. You were about to have my ass go out there and look for a wheelchair to ride.
You know, that fucking...
The walker?
What's in there?
Ah! No, there's some... I heard something fall over there. Why do they stop? Fuckers.
They stomp just like us, dude. We're doing the same thing.
This is crazy to see because these are like printers and fucking...
You know what that is?
think
That's a
this was
huge
here.
printer.
Yeah. This was me. This is fucking incredible. I'm so glad I did this.
I am putting my mask on though. It's definitely time to put the mask on, you guys, because as we're walking around here, we might be double tracking ourselves, and all that dust we picked up is still in the air, and I really don't want to be breathing it. I got this cheap one at Walmart. It's like $8, dude.
This is a welding mask.
What? That's a welding mask?
Yeah.
Yeah. See, you need something like that, man. Now I just gotta figure out what my light is. Dude, this whole place has been ran through. Hey, there's a can opener in there.
I need to get one. That's a shower. Corny showers.
Yeah,
Is that supposed to be Peter?
yeah.
Oh,
Peter Griffin.
oh, is that one? Oh,
Bro, this thing is huge. Dude, we're gonna have so much fun.
fucking shit, this is cool.
That is so dope. I would just paint over the walls, re-graffiti. I can't graffiti, but... That was last night's, dude.
This is a loading dock, you're right.
Ah,
See the bumpers?
yeah. We just came from over there, and this is actually either the front or the back. It is the back?
Yeah, this is the part that we said was the back.
I don't know, this might be the front, bro.
Then the other side's the back.
Yeah, where we parked is the back.
Oh, this is...
Look at these tanks. These tanks are huge. What do you think was held in these?
water.
Anything? Oh my.
The part is, I know what that was used for, and it wasn't used for anything good. 'Cause why the fuck would you bring a dirty ass mat in here for?
Well, if you're homeless, but if you're smashing in here on that dirty mattress, man, Look at this, dude.
This wasn't for water. This is for something else.
No, water could have went through here and heated it.
You think so?
Yes, because the heating element has water passing through it. That's what these are.
I need a picture now of this shit. Where is it? Number 1 and number 2. Yeah, you're right. Water things. Oh, yeah.
So that turned on the valve, steam.
That one over there too. Oh, I didn't see those guys.
Look at these tumbleweeds. They just all hanging out together. This is so sick. This is so sick. All right, back in here.
As you can tell. We drove an hour. How long was your drive?
An hour and like 35 minutes. No, it may have been longer. I forget. I think it's an hour and a half.
Oh, you got the same drive as me.
Yeah. Dude, let's go find somehow to get on there.
Where's the light coming through?
Oh shit. So he just smelled fresh paint. Told me to take my mask off, and I did. And we looked right in front of us. We had dripping paint. So we're not here alone. Hey, I know how they got up there. Yeah, right here. They had to have been. They had to have climbed. Yeah, see? I didn't even see that, but it just made sense because it's the easiest way to get up to the roof. But we're gonna have to do some obstacle courses.
Yeah, I'm not doing it today. I still need to make it home.
So let's just fly.
No.
Let's go to our car area, and we know the premises really. So we just gotta watch out for people in here because they're gonna yeah, you never know. It's a little nerve-wracking when you know you're not in here alone. Oh yeah, that is. We're parked out here, right? That's where we are. Yo, what's weird is that we can't find or hear this person.
Oh, that's metal. Let's go to the front.
Yeah, whatever. If we see him flying,
Chase him. I'm gonna chase him. Chase him with the fucking drum.
with the small one.
Yeah.
Dude, in here, it's gonna be so fun. That's why I say we just launch from right here.
You wanna do it right now?
Yeah, send it. We decided to get the best signal possible with our DJI systems, our VTXs. We decided to fly in the back area. That way, go ahead and fly in and around.